Oh no! The old battery issue.
Things old carpenters didn't have to deal with. Back in my day. That wasn't bad.
Walk us through a little bit of that, Lasana.
So I definitely had to use a vacuum because the MDF, it just causes a lot of dust in the way of the line. And then also I have to be mindful of not just letting the piece drop, or else it might just rip more of the material than I want. So now I'll just get the block plane, even though it's MDF, it still works just as great.
Oh.
I'm just gonna get to my line. So I keep block planing pretty much up to the line, and because I scratched a line into the finish, as soon as I'm right there at the perfect spot, it starts to just do this little flaky thing.
The paint.
Yeah. And it becomes a nice clean little line. Here's an example. So when that's gone, I know I'm there. Actually gives you a really nice cut in the end. Everything's nice and crisp. It's not a chippy cut.
The Medex?
Because
Or the planing?
Yeah, the planing, and because I sliced that line in there, wherever I finish is a nice crisp, solid line. I just want to make sure my back bevel is really good, or else it'll never fit.
Awesome. Thank you, Lasana.
You're welcome. Now I fit it and cross my fingers the whole time. So it's really tight, so we might have to go under the soffit first to pull out, down. I got my side in. Oh yeah. Doesn't that feel so good?
Where's my line?
Do I even have a line? Not yet.
Okay.
This is how I will set up the next drive. We'll get 2 and an 8.